Before you spend your hard-earned money on this Amazon product, here's the honest, no-fluff breakdown you actually need to make an informed decision. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the Cuisinart Chef's classic 11-piece stainless steel cookware set. You might be wondering if it's just another aesthetically pleasing set, or if it truly delivers on professional-grade performance and durability, living up to that classic name. This set makes some bold promises: an encapsulated aluminum core for remarkably even heat distribution, ergonomically designed cool grip handles, and full induction compatibility, features typically reserved for much pricier, high-end brands. But the real question is, does this Cuisinart set genuinely stack up in your busy, everyday kitchen, capably handling everything from delicate sauces and perfectly seared meats to slow-simmered stews, or are you better off skipping it for a different option? Let's uncover the truth together. So, let's get clear on what exactly the Cuisinart Chef's classic 11-piece stainless steel pots and pan set brings to your culinary arsenal. This isn't just a random assortment, it's a thoughtfully curated and comprehensive cookware collection from Cuisinart, a brand with a long-standing reputation for producing reliable, innovative, and high-quality kitchen appliances that serious home cooks appreciate. The set is quite expansive, including a versatile array of essential pieces, various sized saucepans complete with their snug-fitting covers, durable skillets perfect for achieving that ideal sear, a spacious sauté pan for larger dishes, and a generous stockpot. Essentially, everything a well-equipped kitchen needs to confidently handle nearly any recipe or cooking technique. It's cleverly engineered to be incredibly versatile, performing flawlessly on all types of cooktops, which includes modern induction, traditional electric, and classic gas stoves. The core mission of this set is to provide aspiring and experienced home cooks alike with durable, professional-grade cooking tools, meticulously striking an impressive balance between elegant aesthetics, robust functionality, and accessible pricing for every imaginable culinary task, from simmering rich gravies to boiling pasta for a crowd. Now, let's dive into the core features that define the Cuisinart Chef's classic set and explain why each truly matters to your cooking. First, the premium stainless steel construction. Crafted from durable 18/10 stainless steel, these pots and pans offer exceptional resistance to corrosion and are non-reactive, preserving authentic food flavors. The link in the description is an affiliate link. Use it to purchase and support the channel. Thank you for watching. Like, share and comment which Amazon product you want next to be reviewed.